I want to go back and talk about agriculture.
Okay, yeah.
What are some ideas there that you think?
Yeah, so it's happening already now, what people call precision farming. So you take a drone, let it fly over, and then you do pesticides or nutrition just there where it's really needed. You use a robot to steer that. And of course, this is computer vision. You need the drone to detect the crops and all these things. Where things happen, you need the robot to steer around. Also, robotics and computer vision will have a major influence in the future. We see now deep learning and robotics coming up. And of course, a robot without sensor is useless. So we see here a lot of computer vision again coming into play. And then of course all these application fields what you have. I think we also will see much more like analysis of all the data we collected, of the image data, to make really use of that, because at the moment a lot of these things we're just storing, not interpreting, and these things in here, of course, is computer vision will help. Think about satellite images, think about weather, think about all these things will be influenced a lot by computer vision. Not only, but a lot. Computer vision will play a central role. In fact, I cannot imagine any application that can do without computer vision.
I'm beginning to believe that. So I have a question.
Yeah.
As a long-time computer vision scientist, in English there is a saying that says seeing is believing. Do you subscribe to that idea?
Well, we have all seen the deepfakes.
Yes, let's talk about that.
So yeah, because as you said, when we saw an image, this was the truth. This is a picture of reality. This is no longer true. We see deepfakes, we see videos, and which are, if you look at this face generation, I have in one of my talks always you look tests like real human versus generated. Nobody can sort of guess what is computer generated, and we will see a similar development in the videos. For example, I have now created for myself an avatar. Whenever I don't have time to give greeting, usually I would send a video over there. Now I just send a text. The avatar takes that. It can talk in any language. Nobody recognizes that. So, of course, we mark it as an avatar. But
sure.
Yeah. So yeah, this will change, but this will not happen immediately because we have been trained. This is a cultural thing, An image is something real. This will take some time till we sort of switch here.